What you're about to see is one of the most incredible operations on planet Earth. A facility so massive, so advanced, it manages hundreds of elephants every single day. Are you ready to go inside?
Did you know a single adult elephant eats over 300 pounds of food every single day? Now imagine feeding an entire herd of 500 elephants. This facility does exactly that, every morning, without fail. This elephant facility covers over 50,000 acres of land. That's bigger than many cities. Inside, every single elephant has its own dedicated space, feeding zone, and medical care system. The herd is divided into careful groups: newborn calves, young juveniles, adult females, and massive bull elephants. Each group has its own specialized care team working around the clock. Every morning at 5 a.m., over 200 trained staff members arrive at this facility. Veterinarians, nutritionists, wildlife rangers, and behavioral experts, all working together for one mission: elephant welfare. As the sun rises, the elephants begin their morning routine. Elephants sleep only 4 hours a night, so by 5 a.m., this entire herd is already awake, active, and hungry. Watermelons, and specially formulated elephant nutrition blocks, all prepared fresh every single morning. At exactly 6 a.m., a convoy of 20 industrial trucks carries over 150,000 pounds of fresh food deep into the facility. This is one of the largest daily food operations for any animal facility on Earth. The feeding stations are strategically placed across the entire facility, ensuring no elephant has to travel more than half a mile for its morning meal. The newborn calves have their own special feeding zone. Orphan babies are bottle-fed by dedicated caretakers every 3 hours, day and night. These babies drink up to 10 liters of special milk formula every single day. Every bite is monitored. Scientists use digital tablets to record each elephant's daily food intake, ensuring every animal receives its exact nutritional requirements based on age, weight, and health condition. At the heart of this facility sits a full-scale elephant medical center, equipped with X-ray machines, ultrasound equipment, and surgical rooms big enough to treat the world's largest land animals. Every single elephant receives a daily health inspection. Veterinarians check their feet for cracks, examine their skin for infections, and monitor their eyes and ears, just like a doctor's checkup, but for 6-ton giants. Every elephant wears a GPS collar that transmits live location data to the main control room. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the team knows exactly where every single elephant is at all times. When serious medical issues arise, the on-site surgical team springs into action. Performing surgery on an elephant requires specialized equipment, a team of 15 medical professionals, and incredible precision. The baby elephant nursery is one of the most heartwarming places in this entire facility. Caretakers actually sleep beside orphan baby elephants, because without that warmth and comfort, these babies simply won't survive.
At midday, it's bathing time, and this is where things get absolutely spectacular. Watch as hundreds of elephants rush toward the facility's specially designed bathing lakes. This is the moment they've been waiting for all morning.
The bathing system uses industrial water pumps capable of delivering 2 million liters of fresh water every single day. The water is filtered, temperature controlled, and specially treated to keep elephant skin healthy.
Elephants use their trunks like powerful shower heads, spraying water across their bodies. The mud bathing you see is actually essential. It acts as a natural sunscreen and insect repellent for their sensitive skin.
After the water bath, trained groomers use specially designed brushes to scrub each elephant, removing dead skin, ticks, and parasites. Each grooming session takes 30 minutes per elephant. Elephant foot care is absolutely critical. Overgrown nails and cracked pads are one of the leading causes of elephant health problems. Each foot is carefully cleaned, trimmed, and moisturized by trained foot care specialists. After their bath, the elephants display remarkable joy, shaking, playing, and socializing together. Scientists have proven that regular bathing dramatically improves elephant mood, health, and overall lifespan.
Managing hundreds of elephants requires deep understanding of elephant psychology. The facility employs 20 full-time behavioral scientists who study every interaction, emotion, and social pattern within the herd.
Managing hundreds of elephants requires deep understanding of elephant psychology. The facility employs 20 full-time behavioral scientists who study every interaction, emotion, and social pattern within the herd.
Managing hundreds of elephants requires deep understanding of elephant psychology. The facility employs 20 full-time behavioral scientists who study every interaction, emotion, and social pattern within the herd. All training here uses 100% positive reinforcement. Absolutely no chain force. Elephants are rewarded with their favorite fruits for cooperating during medical checkups and facility management procedures.
Elephants are deeply social animals with complex family bonds. The facility carefully manages herd groupings to ensure every elephant has strong social connections, because isolation is one of the most dangerous things for elephant mental health.
The facility is made with strain scardish, the safe rate to a cow or humane.
Mental stimulation is just as important as physical health. The facility provides daily enrichment activities, puzzle feeders, new scents, giant toys, all designed to keep elephant minds sharp, curious, and engaged. As afternoon turns to evening, rangers carefully guide each elephant group to their designated nighttime areas. Every zone is equipped with shelter, water, and overnight food supplies, ensuring comfort and safety through the night. But this facility is about so much more than daily care. It exists for one critical mission: to protect a species on the edge of extinction. The facility runs one of the world's most successful elephant breeding programs. Using advanced reproductive science and careful genetic matching, the team has successfully welcomed over 200 new elephant calves in the last 5 years alone.
Survival, then released them into protected national reserves, giving them a second chance at a life in the wild where they truly belong.
The future of elephant conservation is being built right here. AI-powered health prediction software, drone surveillance systems, and satellite tracking are all being developed and tested at this facility to protect elephants worldwide.
As the sun sets over this incredible facility, you realize something creatures have roamed this earth for millions of years. And thanks to operations like this one, they will continue to roam for millions more.
That was the complete inside story of the world's most advanced elephant management facility. If this video amazed you, follow Factory Single Day. We reveal the incredible processes happening behind the world's most fascinating facilities. See you in the next one.